Good morning. Cooking a perfect scrambled egg is all about getting the sound right. I am very fussy how I like my scrambled eggs. I don't like them burnt, I don't like them greasy, I don't like them crunchy. I like them soft. So I'm going to show you the trick of making the perfect scrambled egg. And it's about getting the sound right. First we start with heating up the pan. So I'm heating the pan. I can feel the heat right here. I think it's good. Let's hear how it sounds when I dump it in. I don't think it was hot enough. It didn't make a sound. I don't want it too hot or too cold. I could have waited a little bit longer. Well, let's see how they turn out. The pan is smoking, that's too hot. Turned out good. It rarely sticks to the pan. It's not overcooked. That was a good sound. The pan needs to be the correct temperature. Not too hot, and it can't be cold. So I put oil in the pan, and I heat it up, and I wait until it's the right temperature. And I used cast iron pans because that is the healthiest way to cook any of your food. I love cooking with cast iron pans. Yeah, could have been hotter. The sound should have been just a wee bit stronger. I should have waited about another 30 seconds or so. Perfect sound. When it's the right temperature, you hear the perfect sound. So if you want perfect eggs, get the sound right. Make sure the pan is the proper temperature. And when you do it right, the egg doesn't even hardly stick to the pan. And you can easily wipe out what's left with a paper towel, and the pan's ready to go for tomorrow. I use a wooden spatula and I just gently push towards the center. It's just kind of gently folded. And I will often top my scrambled eggs with some shredded cheddar cheese, because cheddar makes everything better, right?
Perfect.
And I put my hot pan on top so that the cheese melts, because we always keep our cheese in the freezer for longevity. And we usually use it from the frozen state. I mean, we do that even when we're topping pizza. And I always like to put pepper on my eggs. Sometimes I will combine it with a couple of strips of bacon. Just, bacon eggs, that's a good breakfast. I hope you will have a great day and that your eggs will be perfect. Thanks for watching.